Today I was looking at one of those old trees, those chopped trees. I'd seen a lot of drain area and all here and rescued a couple of those edible colocasia. And one more I found today. This botanical name and all I'll write in the title of the video. But these are very nice plant and they're a delicacy of this west coast people. Those leaves are eaten and this variety grows on trees. It's like an orchid. And interesting thing about it is that it has becomes big and showy also, very kind of little leathery type of leaves. Then it has some kind of a spike comes from here, it seems, from which little seeds that little plants develop. They stick to these birds and little animals and they get disturbed from distributed from tree to tree.